Peace, love, wellness, and success, fam. Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been missing in action for about a week, but I'm back. I'm going to share with you guys some inspirational stories, and then we'll get into why Dr. Sebi was so effective and why fasting is his number one weapon. Not the herbs, but the fasting is the number one weapon. We'll get right into that, but we're going to deal with this story, guys. We're going to deal with this positive story dealing with an individual that I know that is very close to me, that came up out of the ghetto, out of the projects, and never got engaged in the project politics, the project behavior, and was able to go on and to do successful things in the healthcare industry, as well as open business dealing with the healthcare industry as far as an in-home visit business, etc. But she was able to do this, and as I look back, because she was majorly focused. At a young age, she was brilliant. She even walked, according to my mom, at 7 months. 7 months she started walking, and my mom and them knew that she would be something brilliant, even in sight, even in the midst of growing up in the extreme poverty that we was growing up in. She's not my sister, but she is a relative. But she was able to go on and, again, avoid the hood politics, avoid the vices of the hood that keep so many women and men trapped in that environment. And she was able to emerge herself out of that situation into, again, a very successful healthcare career, and then eventually a healthcare business. Very focused, determined, and she didn't allow things to hold her back. Now, again, we understand that the projects, ghetto, the social environment, the racism, the sexism, systematic injustices of the society can lead to a ton of different things that are detrimental to our growth and to our success. Excuse me. But I just wanted to share with you guys that these examples do exist, although they're not the norm. They are the exceptions in most cases when it comes from coming from that extreme poverty, that problematic situation that is poverty, not only poverty, but the systematic injustice, the racism, the sexism, the classism, the bigotry, etc. All right. So again, we can do what it is that we will ourselves to do, as long as we have to develop the discipline and the determination to do so. And let's get into Dr. Sebi. Let's get into why fasting is the most important aspect of you and I healing ourselves. All the other things come in line with the fast. I'm also going to share with you guys about my Melt the Belly workshop that I pushed back 1 week. So it'll be this coming Saturday. It'll be this coming Saturday. The date is Sunday the 23rd. So it'll be this coming Saturday. I don't get the date right in the top of my head. Let me add that up real quick. All right, Monday the 24th, Tuesday is the 25th, Wednesday is the 26th, Thursday is the 27th, Friday the 28th. So I'm looking at 10 a.m. The 30th, the 29th, this 29th, 10 a.m. Eastern, and we'll be dealing with the Melt the Belly Fat, Melt the Belly Fat workshop. Now let's get into what it is we want to discuss. Again, like I was mentioning before, Dr. Sebi was brilliant with the herbs, and there's no doubt about it, the herbs help to heal the body. But his methodology was not just herbs. His methodology was the use of fasting as a tool in order to allow the body to naturally start to heal itself. Now, when you go into fasting, guys, now this takes discipline. It takes a time of development. It takes time to condition or recondition your body into its natural state, which I say the natural state for the human body is to be in the fasted state much longer than in the fed state. I say the frequency of eating should be naturally only once a day. But again, we live in a society that has allowed us to the conveniences of eating all times of the day and the night, which has become an issue. Now, I don't fast once a day like I used to in the 90s, but I do try to fast at least 20 hours a day. A lot of times I don't. Sometimes I get 18, sometimes I get 22, but I've been right in the middle of the 18 and the 22. I haven't really went the 24 or the 4-day fast yet, and I rarely do under 18. Now, sometimes I do because I may be out late at social events, and if I'm drinking anything that has any type of calories, then that means my fast has to start after I finish that. But again, fasting is the tool. Fasting is a tool that can help you heal yourself along with other lifestyle changes. But again, don't get it confused and think that you're gonna just eat the herbs or drink the herbs or consume the herbs in a tincture form and your body is going to heal itself. Now, those of you who are on meds, you have to be extremely careful about what it is that you're doing. And those of you who have experienced life-threatening illness, stroke, diabetic ketosis, heart attacks, and things of that nature, you want to continue to work with your medical doctor and then try to implement things that allow you to naturally start to heal yourself. Because again, I'm no medical doctor, so I would never advise you to get off meds without you consulting with your doctor and finding a pathway to get you off those meds and get you into a more natural healing process. That means you're gonna have to learn what it is that you are intaking when it comes to your herbs. A great coach, which I think myself to be, can guide you in those directions, help you to understand the herbs that you may need, and then help guide you and coach you into how to apply those things along with what you're doing with your doctor. But now let's go into a deeper understanding of the fasting. Now, the fasting, again, allows the body to go into what is called autophagy, meaning the body automatically starts to eat up dead cells, cancerous cells, tumors, etc. when it's in a fasted state. Now, the key to this is not only that it should be in a fasted state. It says autophagy usually only starts to begin after 18 hours. To ensure 24 hours is a more desired time length when it comes to the fasting in order for the body to enter into autophagy. Even a 72-hour fast, working your way up to that, could go a long way in helping the body to heal itself with the herbs that assist the body in healing itself, taking those things during the time. The herbs do not break the fast because they are not, or they do not contain calories. Those herbs that do not have any calories, but only have the minerals and the vitamins, the antioxidants, the antiviral, the antifungal, that helps to fight free radicalization, oxidation of the body, and helps to bust up the tumors and etc. that the body has succumbed to. So again, guys, we have to look around and we have to determine within ourselves that we're gonna make the lifestyle changes that it takes in order to achieve the healing of the body naturally. When you heal the body naturally, you do not have the side effects of what the pharmaceutical meds do to the body. This is one of the reasons why we have to consider what it is that we're doing in order to get our bodies back to its natural state of health. We were not born to be diseased. Disease is a consequence of our behavior or our parents' behavior who passed on genes that are susceptible to disease. Not only our parents, but also the society that pretty much exposes us to a ton of different toxins and chemicals through our water, through the breathing of the air, through the clothes, the cosmetics, through the furniture, through the food, through everything that we have come in contact with. We've been exposed to dangerous chemicals and toxins that attack the health of the body at the cellular level. So we have to move beyond this and tackle this, or we have to combat this straight ahead by learning how to fast, engaging in plant-based nutrition that is organic, non-GMO, getting away from supplements that are full of fillers and heavy metals and other things of that nature that don't allow the body to absorb the amount of herb or supplement that is said to be in the body. In those supplements that the body cannot absorb, because those supplements also contain the heavy metals, the fillers, etc. Detoxing the body is a key as well. And again, herbs go a long way in helping to detoxify the body, specific herbs that you can utilize to do that as well. But the fast, learning how to fast, learning how to condition your body to fast. There are many methodologies that can be used in order to make you a successful faster. You don't have to do it the exact way that I do it. There are many, many other ways that you can work around your social life, your inability to be disciplined for that long at this particular time. We have a ton of methods that we can use, and I can help coach you through those methods in order to help you to become a healthier you. Now, again, strength is in discipline. Discipline allows the body to become more healthy, and fasting is one of the top tools that the experts use, specifically the late great Dr. Sebi uses in order to allow the body to heal itself. Now, again, guys, I have a workshop coming up. I'm gonna repeat that again on August the 29th at Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern. It's called Melt the Belly Fat. This is a key component to helping you to heal the body. Many of us carry excessive amount of weight in the abdominal area. This weight is detrimental to our health. It leads, or it is correlated to correspond with the high incidence of high blood pressure, diabetes, cancers, you name it, joint health, many, many more detrimental things that this carrying of the excessive amount of belly fat is doing to the human physiology. It's not just a eyesore as far as the aesthetic component. It is a dangerous state for your body to be in, and it correlates to dangerous, life-threatening diseases. A woman who carries excessive amount of weight or body weight in the abdominal area, fat specifically, has a 28% higher chance of developing cancer, heart disease, etc., high blood pressure, etc. A man has a 38% more likely chance of developing those diseases specifically. There is a correlation. So we have to do what we need to do in order to remove the belly fat. I have a beautiful workshop that you and I can take advantage of. I'm not speaking from a guy that didn't have belly fat. I had belly fat. I blew up from 245 pounds up to 395 pounds a few years ago. And it's taken me about 8 years in order to reduce that belly fat to the point where it's now almost completely gone. I'm getting into the best shape of my life. It has been a long, long journey because of the health issues I had to overcome first that would allow me to not only implement the fast and the nutrition, the herbs, but also implement some exercise, some strategic exercise that allows me to utilize the fasting as a tool to eliminate belly fat first and foremost. I can share with you guys all those techniques that have worked, that will not allow or does not require for you to spend hours in the gym, does not require for you to do 1,000 sit-ups, 1,000 crunches, 1,000 bicycles. It only recommends that we fast and we use strategic techniques after the fast of what it is that we eat and the exercise that we do that accelerates the fat loss. Again, it's not strenuous exercise. I cannot work out strenuously due to my heart condition, due to my back surgery, due to my umbilical hernia. So I've had a ton of ailments that really hinder me from doing things at the level that I would like to do, but it has not hindered me from being able to figure out how to get the most out of this body and remove that belly fat. We're sending you peace, love, wellness, and success. Hopefully I'll be together with Sharon soon, and we'll be doing a partnership on some videos together. I want you guys to really look forward to that. We actually may be doing some Zoom live that we're gonna be doing some certain things on, and we're gonna allow up to 10 spots for you guys to be able to join. It will cost you guys because we're gonna be sharing some great information, but you'll be able to interact with us in real time, face to face. And this is one of the things that we're looking forward to doing. We probably do that once a week. Again, it'll cost you guys a smaller amount, but that amount is worth the information and the engagement that we're going to be in and the fun that we'll have being able to see and talk to you guys back and forth, chatter live on the Zoom live. If you're interested in that, please let me know in the comments so I can let Sharon know that we need to go ahead and push that forward. And the payment details, etc., will be forthcoming to you once I hear back from some of you guys. Again, sending you peace, love, wellness, and success. Peace.